Hey, I'm Kyle Storms. I live in Nashville, Tennessee. What barbecue means to me is it's basically a science experiment you get to eat around friends, sharing new recipes, trying out new things, and basically food with friends. You either have a friend or a friend of a friend that's been cooking for years. A lot of these guys out here have been cooking for 10, 20, 30 years. Learn from someone, and I think that's the best way, because then you can ask questions. They can tell you what they've kind of gone through, give you their experiences and what works best for them. YouTube is a great spot too, if you don't have direct connection to friends and everything, but with a person you can actually ask them physical questions and get some great input and feedback back. Best piece of advice I could give you is, if you're trying to get into it, get yourself a big green egg. You're gonna have this egg forever. You've got a lifetime warranty. You can smoke, bake, roast, sear, grill, any type of cooking that you're looking to do. It's gonna help you do that. And then also, it's so easy to use and so very forgiving. If you're brand new, you're not gonna have everything refined, and this is a tool that's gonna allow you, it's gonna give you a lot of forgiveness. You don't have to be super spot on with your time or your temps. As long as you're somewhere in the range, you're gonna be able to serve up most likely the best barbecue your friends have had recently without having to be a top-notch chef. A lot of it is just having the right information. Whenever I talk to people that are just getting into it and stuff, they have all the capabilities of producing food just like everyone else does out here, but maybe they're just missing one little piece of information here and there that totally changes the outcome of their food. So basically, talk to people, be willing to learn, and if you're not getting the exact results that you want, ask somebody how they do it, and odds are you're going to learn something that's going to take you up in the next level as far as your food quality.